friend from college, Josh Deek.
Hello.
And we will be filming a collab video where I will be putting makeup on Josh.
Me.
So,
yeah.
This is a 2-part series. I will have one part on my channel, the transformation, and what will you have on your channel?
On my channel, I'm going to be making a Tinder for hot female Josh and comparing it to how normal Tinder Josh does. It's gonna be scientific.
So these videos will go up at the same time, and when they do, I'll link his channel and his video in the description box below. So yeah, if you want to see me make Josh beautiful,
Let's go.
keep on watching.
Gonna be so hot, dude.
I think we're gonna go in with like this brow pencil first. This is brand new. I have not used this. This came from a subscription box, so.
Oh.
So okay.
Time to get your money's worth.
Yeah. You already got like fluffy brows, so like I don't think I'm gonna do like as bold of a brow as I normally would do.
Oh, brows are first.
Yeah. So I like to work brows first because I have the tendency to screw up my own brows. I shouldn't admit this, but I'm admitting this.
What's even happening? Are you like coloring the brows or coloring the skin underneath the brows?
I am coloring the skin underneath the brows. So like this gives the illusion of like fuller, like more hair.
Yes. More hair.
More hair. And you have like very full and fluffy brows.
Thank you.
And that's very end.
I pay really close attention to the trends, and then I shape my brows to match.
Really?
Naturally. I have immense control over my body. I'm just talking. YouTube me just goes.
Okay, what kind of eyeshadow do you want? Do you want like a little natural moment?
We're going full sand, right?
Yep.
This is ultimately I'm your sandbox.
So I think we're gonna go in with like this little cute Ciate London, the editor palette. Going to go in with like this little matte brown shade.
Right.
And we're just gonna put this all over your crease.
I feel like that will really amplify the subtleties of my personality and sort of the earthy tones that I really resonate with as a person living in Minnesota.
We are chugging along.
What percent are we through?
Probably like 5%.
Okay, that seems reasonable.
I forgot to brush my teeth. I'm not gonna breathe in your face.
That's totally fine. I haven't noticed.
Okay.
I have a dog.
Cause
I put my dog in my face all the time.
Really?
Yeah, and he smells horrible. I love him, but he smells horrible.
Okay, now we gotta take this little
This is
base
strange.
eyeshadow brush and go into like this matte deeper color. And this we're going to use to make you smoky.
Oh,
Yeah,
we're all about that. So I'm gonna be like a nice brisket. That's what you're telling
Yep.
me. That's hot. Smoky like a brisket. I'm gonna practice my hot faces.
So this is my go-to.
Shit, that's hard.
We're going to dip into this turquoise blue shimmer shade and just put this all over the lid.
The lid. My
lid.
eyelid?
Yes, eyelid terms. So
Them
previously I was working in your crease. This is the lid.
My crease.
Now we're actually working on face, so you can't scratch your face this time. So this is the Benefit Professional, and this is the Pearl Primer Slight Luminescence. This has like pearls in it.
Let's keep this up. Oh, I look so strange.
Do you feel relaxed?
Not really.
No?
I wouldn't call this relaxing.
So now we got a nice base. Now we're gonna take some foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. And
Wet n
this is in Dewy because we love a natural finish.
I'm loving what this is doing to my skin. I love the dewy. It's a nice natural finish.
Oh shit. Okay, backtrack. No. So pretend I didn't do that. And we're just gonna put like some of this color corrector on, and I'm just gonna tap this in. Now that you're color corrected, we're just gonna resume the foundation.
Oh, that was it for the stubble?
Yeah.
Smoky. Crease.
You're just like dropping all the makeup buzzwords.
Oh my god. So if you're saying is if I go on a date with a girl and I can tell she's wearing some makeup, I should say, your makeup's looking really smoky in your crease. That's a good line?
Yeah.
Your makeup's looking so smoky in that crease. What list are you wearing? Oh my god, is that a clay base that would last 16 hours from Target Boutique? Oh my god, you're just killing it. Babe, marry me?
How are we feeling?
Great. I look whiter by a lot.
Yeah, this is just evening out your skin tone. But it's okay, we'll bring the tan back. That's this
We're gonna
beautiful-
bring sexy back too while we're at it.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. This one's gonna be a lot heavier just because I do have to cover this. I'm using a tapping motion to get a bit more coverage.
I've noticed. It's wet and wild.
Now we're going to try and cover the stubble a bit more. So this is concealer. This is the Wet n Wild Incognito.
It's like that internet browser setting, except for my stubble. Here's a good thing to do with my lip.
Yeah.
Great.
How does it smell? Not good?
Chemically.
Oh yes, this is helping.
You too.
You kind of look like Sweeney Todd.
I actually don't know who Sweeney Todd is.
No?
I mean, I know the name, but I don't know what he looks like, so I'll Google it real quick. Oh, fuck.
A
weenie yard. What the fuck? I can't even type.
A weenie yard.
A weenie yard.
So this is to get rid of your eye bags.
Do I have eye bags?
A little bit.
That's nice. I gotta look up again.
Yeah.
I kind of look up and close my eyes. Oh. What do you do for humor on your channel? Or is it more makeup focused?
It's more makeup focused, but I like to let my personality shine through.
Right.
And the types of jokes I make.
Because my personality is there, for
Really?
sure. Well, like, I'm like talking and making dumb jokes and stuff like that. I can dial it back or up, whatever you want.
Do whatever you want, whatever you feel comfortable with.
I'm gonna keep doing this then.
Yeah, you know? Because like makeup, like I know people that aren't good at makeup, but it's not my place to judge them, you know? I take everyone as they are. Like even if their makeup is bad.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah.
This is why we're friends.
Oh, gee. We take people.
It's imperative that you do not blink.
I have contacts. I'm gonna have to blink. Oh, I did.
Okay,
Can I blink real quick?
Yep.
I'm gonna get LASIK at some point,
Really?
and that will help. Maybe, or maybe make them. I don't have like dry eyes. I have like old contacts that I was supposed to switch contacts today.
So how do you feel? Cakey?
A bit. I do feel like if a fresh breeze were to blow over me, I wouldn't know it. I wouldn't have any.
So now we're going to bake. Okay, take a whiff of this powder.
What does that smell?
Grandma?
I've never thought about grandma that way. Oh my god, this is a lot of work. Ugh. Now I feel really cakey.
Really?
Yeah.
It gets better. I promise.
Great.
This is where I'm going to bring the warmth back to your face. So this
Okay,
is the
time to
moment
be-
you've been waiting for. So this is bronzer.
I have it waiting.
This is like suntan in a box.
Nice.
So why am I even putting it on your forehead? It's going to be covered with the bangs.
No.
We're
doing this right.
We'll work with this.
We're doing this
Full
correctly.
experience. Do you feel sunny?
No. I feel fluorescent.
I almost named my dog Sunny.
Oh, that's cute.
His name's Mac, like mac and cheese.
Oh, that's cute. What's his middle name? Jeez.
Donald.
Okay.
I'm kidding. Okay, suck in like a fish. This is gonna give you definition.
This is fun. I'll try almost anything once.
Would you ever do this again?
For the right reason, yeah.
Shoot, what color blush do you want? Should I go a little bit brighter? So this is Becca.
Hey, Becca.
Becca, R.I.P. Becca. Becca, the pandemic took her out.
Oh.
Okay, well we're not gonna do Becca yet. Okay, so
Nope.
now I gotta make your lower
cool
lash
container,
line smoky. I know, isn't it kind of sad that she's out of business? Now look up. So I'm gonna get your lower lash line. This is the worst part for a lot of people. Is it the worst part for you?
I don't like it.
This is so you look extra smoky.
Oh, I'm all about that. Like a brisket. Meat like a brisket. I'm smoking meat now.
Now I'm dusting the bake off.
The bake.
So now we're going with Becca.
Rest in peace, Becky. Becky, we had so many good memories together, Becky. Becky and Brad.
Blush.
Becky and Chad. Because Becky is like the female equivalent of Chad.
What's the male equivalent of a Karen?
Like a Jim. I don't want to curse any name with
Just in
that
case you
burden.
name your child that.
You know, there are good Karens, and now all of a sudden all Karens are viewed as bad, right? But like the Karen is the name embodies it so well. But like poor Karens, like I know good Karens, you know?
Okay, now I'm gonna contour your nose a little bit.
Should I close my eyes?
No. I mean, you can watch it. This will give you a skinnier nose.
I'm like in your armpit. That's not a bad thing. I'm just acknowledging that fact.
This is kind of exciting. This is what's gonna give you like that beautiful glow, so.
I can't wait to glow.
So it's gonna make you look extra sun-kissed.
Lights.
Glazed donut-y.
Ellie Goulding.
Like Krispy Kreme. So now, where's it? Where's this bad boy? Okay, so this is the fun part.
Oh,
So this is a little skincare poo.
if this is the fun part, then count me in.
This is gonna help your makeup last, so like, you're gonna last through the sweat.
But the anticipation was really killing me.
Okay, how do you feel? Moist?
Yeah.
Less cakey? Slightly less cakey?
Yeah, a lot better. That feels
Really?
like way
Really?
better.
That's good. Okay, now close your eyes.
What's going on?
I'm just giving you like a little bit of eyeliner, like a little bit of smokiness, more smoky.
This is smoky too? Is everything smoky?
Well, you wanted the best, so. Okay, now, this is the part where it could go terribly wrong.
I don't like to hear it.
This is the part where I might like take your eyelashes off. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I don't think you're ready for this.
Okay.
You're not even gonna fight it. You're just like, okay.
Yeah. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Are you loving
Wow, you have beautiful eyelashes.
it? Do we even need to put on fake ones?
Duh, the whole experience.
Oh, sure. Apparently guys have better, like, always have good eyelashes.
Yeah, I don't know why that is. Okay, so I bought these just for Josh. Very similar to what I'm wearing, so check out mine. Do they look fake?
Ish. I mean, I've been like right next to you this entire time, so I've been like a couple of
watching
inches from your eyelashes. So
I'm just putting a little bit of glue on the lash. I made a nice little poot sound.
a poot.
A poot. Okay, so now we wait.
And then I just rip this off later.
Yep, this will just peel off because it's just like school glue, you know, like when you coat your hands in like school
Yeah, but I've
glue.
never had school glue on my eyeballs.
This is not on your eyeball. You're so dramatic.
Yeah,
This is
but-
on your lash line.
You're so dramatic. Stop. Eyes open. What do I do with my eyes?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes.
But relax. Okay, now where's my sponge thing? Just so I'm not like smudging your makeup. So.
Okay. Oh, that feels horrible. I hate it. It feels so bad. It feels so heavy. This is
These are natural.
I'm gonna pull these off as soon as I can.
These
as
are
soon as
natural.
we're done. These are bad.
You want to see the ones I wore? I wore.
Mine just taste.
Check these out. Oh shit! They're not even in there.
Check these out. Yoink. It just feels so bad. I can't wait to get these off. Oh, it feels like it's poking my eye. That feels better. Whatever you just did, that helps.
You ready for this?
I'm ready. Did we do the?
You can also blow on it, but I'm not gonna blow on yours because that would be giving you like pink eye from like my matcha breath.
Matcha breath.
So
we're just doing this.
Yep. You ready?
Yes. What percent of the way through are we?
We're probably pretty close, like maybe 80.
Ooh. Oh,
Feel
wet.
wet?
Yeah, it just feels like somebody dropped a booger in my eye.
Ew.
Ugh.
So, this part, we're gonna make them juicy and plump. So now we're gonna line his lips. Okay, go like this. Take a look at your lips.
Whoa.
You got pout now. Wait till I get the top.
Thickums.
I think this is the longest you've been silent for.
It's because you're on my mouth. These are big honking lips.
You can't take yourself seriously.
No.
Maybe we'll put some gloss.
Gloss.
Gloss. What gloss do I want to use? Ooh, this is a good one. This is the plumping. Do you know what that means?
Plump and ready. Like the rotisserie chickens you can get.
You're about to find out what it means.
Plump. I know what plump means.
Okay, then you can kind of like smack your lips together. So now, it's the time for the wig.
Oh,
It is time
really?
for the wig, yes.
Okay.
Okay, wait, give me a sec. I gotta go get this wig cap. This is like Spanx for your head.
Okay. My head's too big. Oh yeah, this is gonna work. Oh yeah. Okay, so this goes like to here, right? I think that goes there. God, these bangs are nuts. I don't know if I'm hot. I'm starting to have doubts. I think we need to cut the bangs. I'm gonna do a cool whip. I stuck to everything. This is what women deal with?
Yeah.
I don't even know where it's coming from.
The lip gloss.
Yeah, but it's like, what hair is in it? This hair's not that hot. I'm looking kind of mommy. Can we cut the bangs? Can we like cut the bangs to be like?
We can try to.
I'm willing to try because this shit's. Look at this. It's so long. Yeah, I've got like a fat face.
So, why do you actually look kind of good?
You think I look kind of good?
Yeah.
I think at best I look like a MILF. I think that's the best case scenario here.
We're just gonna
Give it a try.
snip and chop.
I think we need like a lot off. That's feeling better already. Last time I had bangs was second grade, maybe third grade.
Close your eyes.
This kind of works. I'm a librarian.
I can wax your chest hair if you want.
No. I'll just go with this right there.
All right, this is the finished look on Josh. Josh, how do you feel?
Confused, beautiful, I'm ready to slay.
How'd you rate the experience?
I don't get why women do this. This is a lot of work. It's like an hour and a half. Maybe more.
But anyways, that is it for this makeup transformation on Josh.
Show some of the sides, right?
If you want to check out Josh, I will link his channel and video in the description box below.
You can check me out there.
Yes.
Check me out all
Josh
you
Deek.
want.
Josh Deek. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Valentina. I'm so happy to have you here, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, Ron!
Bye.